Welcome to day 14 of the Take 5 28-day challenge. Shaking off stress using shaking the tree and flicking water. Starting at a neutral position. Soften your whole body, especially your knees. Sink. Relax like a rag doll. Bend your knees and move up and down like you're bouncing without leaving the ground. You're so relaxed that this moves the trunk of your body and your arms. Sighs of relief. We shake, shake, shake more actively, like we're shaking the branches of the tree, shaking off stress, letting it go. And then what we are going to do is we're going to have another moment where we raise our hands up, and in one motion we flick the water down to the ground. Inhale, exhale. There we go. Flicking water off of our hands. And then we go back and we relax as much as we can. Continue this spontaneously, letting emotions come and go, letting stress and tension rise and release. And getting as loose as possible, like you are the world's worst dancer. Continue on. Your dance is your own. Dancing in chaos. When you feel it's time to end, slowly wind down. Let everything settle. Rub your hands together briskly to generate heat and cover your eyes. Slowly open your eyes, allowing more and more light in. Rub your ears to increase circulation and engage all your senses before moving on.